everyone. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to add Python interpreter into PyCharm. So all you have to do is just to go here to settings, click here on the settings option, choose it, and then go to project, choose Python interpreter, and then all you have to do is just to go click on this arrow. And if you have Python interpreter, you can switch between them, or all you have to do is just click show all, and then click on this plus option, add local interpreter, and then just go search for your interpreter that you already downloaded, click then OK, and then you will click into apply, then click OK, and then you will have your interpreter here. Just choose it and click apply and then OK. And all you have to do is just to run your code with the new interpreter. As you can see, hi PyCharm. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tutorials.